Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will see how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. VLOOKUP work as vertical lookup to find unique value. After matching a criteria between two parameters from database, it applies from left to right only. Now let's understand VLOOKUP syntax. Lookup value is equal to criteria. Table array is equal to data range from where we want unique value. Column index is equal to column number of unique value in data table. Range lookup always be exact match. Let's start. In current data table, having columns, product code, product name, location, and quantity. Here, we will find location and quantity based on product code and product name respectively. Based on product code scenario, data range start from column C and location and quantity column are at third and fourth place. Based on product name scenario, data range start from column D and location and quantity column are at second and third place. Now after changing parameters, location and quantity are repeating. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.